Let's say you want to create an audio plugin. You have a specific sound or setup that you have in mind. How do you go about it? You may know that audio processing on computers is done using digital signal processing. You may also know some techniques on implementing audio plugins for digital audio workstations. But how to go from a plugin idea to a working implementation? There has never been a shortage of information available, even more so with the most recent advancements in AI. But how to connect the dots between theory and practice? My name is Wilczek, and as a founder of the Wolfson.com blog and YouTube channel, and the creator of the DSP Pro online course on digital audio signal processing, teaching audio programming is what I largely focus on in my day-to-day activities. At the upcoming Audio Developer Conference 2024 in Bristol, I will be leading a workshop on plugin development. The workshop is called DSP in Practice: From Block Diagram to Working Plugin. You'll learn exactly how professional plugin development is done. We'll go hand in hand through all the stages from an initial idea to a complete plugin. After the workshop, you'll know where to look for specific information you need, how to read and interpret digital signal processing diagrams, how to turn your idea into a prototype, and finally into a full-fledged working digital audio workstation plugin. In the workshop, we'll implement a full audio plugin, a flanger, from scratch. For this purpose, we'll use Python and C++ programming languages and the JUCE C++ framework. You should be at least somewhat familiar with these to get the most out of the workshop, but I'll be there to help you and guide you every step of the way. Together, we'll connect the dots between theory and practice. To prepare in detail for the workshop, have Git, Python, CMake, and the C++ compiler installed and in your path. You can use Windows, Linux, or macOS. Clone the workshop repository and follow the instructions in the README file. Bring a pair of headphones and be ready to test your plugin in a digital audio workstation of your choice, for example, Audacity. Throughout the workshop, we'll be using Visual Studio Code, but you can use any IDE that you like. This workshop is in person only, so make sure to reserve your spot. My name is Jan Wilczek. I am the founder of the Wolfson.com blog and YouTube channel on audio programming, and I will see you at ADC 2024.